The Elves and the Shoemaker.
Shoes, shoemaker, wife, elf.
Once upon a time there lived a shoemaker and his wife. The shoemaker worked very hard, but he didn't sell many shoes. "We have no food, we have no money," said his wife. "I have enough leather for only one pair of shoes," said the shoemaker sadly. The shoemaker cut out the leather and put it on his table, then he went to bed. "Tomorrow I will get up early and I'll make the last pair of shoes." The next morning the shoemaker got up early. He wanted to make the shoes, but surprisingly the shoes were ready. "What happened?" asked. "These are beautiful," said his wife. "When did you make them?" "I didn't make them." A pretty lady came into the shop and bought the pair of shoes. The shoemaker and his wife could buy some food and enough leather for 2 pairs of shoes. That night, before he went to bed, the shoemaker cut out the leather. "Tomorrow I'll get up early and I'll make 2 pairs of shoes." Then he went to bed. The next morning, when they got up, they saw 2 pairs of shoes on the table. "They are wonderful," said his wife. "When did you make them?" "No, I didn't make those shoes." Customers came into the shop and bought the 2 pairs of shoes. They paid him well, so the shoemaker could buy more leather for other pairs of shoes. And it happened again and again. The shoemaker became very rich. "We must find out who makes those shoes," said to his wife. "Today night, let's hide and watch who is it." "That's a good idea." They hid behind the curtain and waited. At midnight, 2 little elves jumped through the window and started to make the shoes. That night, the 2 little elves made 10 pairs of shoes. "The elves helped us. How can we help them?" "They have very poor and ragged clothes." "I'll make them some clothes," said his wife. "Okay, and I'll make them some shoes." When they were ready, they put the shoes and clothes on the table. They hid behind the curtain again and waited. At midnight, the little elves jumped through the window. The elves found the shoes and clothes. "Look at the nice clothes and shoes." The elves were very happy. They got dressed and danced around the table happily. The shoemaker and his wife never saw the elves again, but after that night, everything went very well and they lived happily ever after.